Hello everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel The Environment Express. Know your rivers. Approximately 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. This water is primarily saline, with 97% found in oceans, and the remaining 3% is fresh water. Rivers carry a very small percentage of Earth's total freshwater, around 0.3%. The vast majority of fresh water is locked in ice and glaciers, 68.7%, with another significant portion in groundwater, 30.1%. A river is a natural stream of fresh water that flows in a channel across the surface of the land. It typically flows from higher ground to lower ground, eventually emptying into a larger body of water like an ocean, lake, or another river. Rivers play a crucial role in the water cycle and support various ecosystems. Key terms like source, where a river begins, confluence, where rivers join, tributaries, smaller rivers that flow into a larger river, the river basin, the area drained by a river and its tributaries, and banks, the sides of a river, are associated with river. Rivers are a primary source of fresh water for human consumption, agriculture, and industrial activities. Rivers can be harnessed for hydroelectric power generation, providing a renewable source of energy. Rivers provide recreational opportunities like fishing, kayaking, and boating, boosting the local economy. Rivers often hold cultural and historical significance for communities, shaping their traditions and ways of life. Thanks, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Hello everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel The Environment Express. Know your river Brahmaputra. In Hindu mythology, the Brahmaputra, only male river, is believed to be the son of Brahma, the creator god, hence the name Brahmaputra, which translates to son of Brahma. The Brahmaputra river originates in the Kailash ranges of the Himalayas in Tibet, flows eastward through southern Tibet, and then enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. It then continues through Assam and Bangladesh before emptying into the Bay of Bengal. The Brahmaputra river is known by different names in different regions: Sangpo in Tibet, Yarlung Zangbo or Jiang in China, Siang or Dihang in Arunachal Pradesh, India, Brahmaputra in Assam, India, and Jamuna in Bangladesh. Key tributaries of the Brahmaputra include the Dibang, Siang, Dhansiri, Lohit, Subansiri, Kaming, Manas, and Sankosh. National Waterway 2 is a section of the Brahmaputra river having a length of 891 kilometers between the Bangladesh border near Dhubri and Sadia in Assam. It was declared as National Waterway Number 2 on 1st September 1988. The river is prone to catastrophic flooding in the spring when the Himalayan snow melts. The average discharge of the Brahmaputra is about 780,000 cubic feet per second, and floods reach about 3,600,000 cubic feet per second. Thanks, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel The Environment Express. Know your river Mahandi. As mythology says, the river Mahandi is said to have been formed by the warrior sage Parshuram striking the earth with his axe. It is also associated with the deities Lord Vishnu and Brahma, and is a sacred site for rituals and worship, including ceremonial baths. The name Mahandi is believed to be derived from Mahananda, a beloved disciple of Shringi Rishi. In Chhattisgarh, the Mahandi River is also known as Ganga of Chhattisgarh. During different periods of time, it was referred to by different names such as Kanak Nandini, Chitrotpala, Nilotpala, Mahananda and Mahandi or Mahashweta. In Vayu Puran river Mahandi was stated as Nilotpala. The Mahandi river originates in the Sihawa range of hills in the Dhamtari district of Chhattisgarh, India. The river flows through the states of Chhattisgarh and Odisha. The major tributaries of the Mahandi river include Sionath, Hasdeo, Mand, and Ibi on the left bank, and Jong, Tel, and Rong on the right bank. Hirakud Dam is built across the Mahandi River, about 10 kilometers from Sambalpur in the state of Odisha in India. It is the longest earthen dam in the world. Behind the dam extends a 55 kilometers long lake, Hirakud Reservoir. It is one of the first major multipurpose river valley projects started after India's independence. Balijatra is a 7-day festival celebrated in Cuttack, Odisha, marking the voyage to Bali, a historical maritime tradition. The festival is celebrated on Kartika Purnima, the full moon day in the Hindu month of Kartika, which falls in November at Gadgadiya Ghata, the Mahandi river bank at Cuttack. The Mahandi River is a major river in east-central India. It drains an area of around 132,100 square kilometers and has a total length of 900 kilometers. At its peak during the monsoon, the Mahandi has a discharge rate of 2 million cubic feet per second. Thanks and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Hello everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel The Environment Express. Know your river Godavari. In Hindu mythology, the Godavari River holds significant mythological importance in Hinduism, particularly as a sacred river associated with the sage Gautama and the goddess Ganga. The holy waters of the Godavari are said to have been brought from the head of Lord Shiva by the Rishi Gautama. The legend explains the origin of the river, its cleansing properties, and its role in divine events. The Godavari River originates in the western Ghats near Trimbakeshwar Range, Nashik, Maharashtra, and flows eastwards across the Deccan Plateau, then southeast, before emptying into the Bay of Bengal. The river flows through the states of Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. The major tributaries of the Godavari River include the Pravar, Purna, Manjira, Penganga, Vardha, Vanganga, Indravati, Maner, and Sabri. The Pranhita is the largest tributary and carries the combined waters of the Penganga, Vardha, and Vanganga. The Godavari is referred as Dakshina Ganga, meaning Ganges of the south. The major bathing festival called as Pushkaram, Kumbh Mela, is celebrated on the banks of Godavari River. The Godavari's drainage basin is one of the largest in the Indian subcontinent, with a total area of 312,812 square kilometers. The Godavari discharges approximately 110 cubic kilometers of fresh water per year into the Bay of Bengal. Thanks and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel.